Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own brand, selling cool merch with your own designs, but got scared off by the thought of buying tons of inventory, dealing with shipping, and all that logistical chaos? Well, what if we told you there's a way to launch your dream business with almost zero upfront cost and no more inventory headaches? Today, we're diving deep into the amazing world of print on demand, or POD. I'm going to walk you through, step by step, exactly how to start your very own print-on-demand business from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to turn your creative ideas into a profitable online store. So, grab a notebook, and let's get started. First things first, what exactly is print-on-demand? It's a business model where you work with a third-party supplier to customize white-label products, like t-shirts, mugs, or posters, with your own designs. You sell them on a per-order basis under your own brand. The best part? You don't pay for the product until after you've actually sold it. This means you don't have to buy in bulk or hold any inventory yourself. When a customer buys something from your online store, the order automatically goes to your pod supplier. They then print your design on the product, package it, and ship it directly to your customer. You just handle the fun parts, creating designs and marketing your brand. It's an incredibly low-risk way to get into e-commerce. So, how do you actually start? The very first step is to choose your niche and create your designs. This is crucial. Instead of trying to sell everything to everyone, focus on a specific audience. Are you into gaming, fitness, pets, or maybe quirky quotes? The more specific your niche, the easier it will be to connect with your target customers. Once you have a niche, it's time for the creative part, your designs. Don't worry if you're not a pro designer. You can use free tools like Canva, or more advanced software like Adobe Illustrator. You can even hire a freelance designer on sites like Fiverr or Upwork to bring your ideas to life. The key is to create unique, high-quality designs that your niche audience will absolutely love and want to wear or use. Alright, you've got your niche and your awesome designs. What's next? It's time to choose a print-on-demand provider and set up your online store. There are many great pod companies out there, like Printful, PrintTV, and Teespring. Each has its own catalog of products, pricing, and shipping times. We recommend doing a little research. Order a few samples to check the print quality and feel of the products yourself. You want to make sure you're selling something you can be proud of. Once you've chosen a provider, you need a place to sell your products. You can create your own storefront using platforms like Shopify or Wix, which integrate seamlessly with most pod providers. Alternatively, you can sell on marketplaces like Etsy or Redbubble. A Shopify store gives you more control over your brand, while a marketplace gives you access to an existing customer base. Now for the final and most important step, marketing and sales. You've built it, but now you need them to come. This is where you'll spend most of your time and effort. The best way to start is by leveraging social media. Create accounts for your brand on platforms where your target audience hangs out, like Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. Post mock-ups of your products, share behind-the-scenes content of your design process, and engage with your followers. Running targeted ads on Facebook or Instagram can also be incredibly effective at driving your first sales. Collaborate with influencers in your niche, run giveaways, and focus on building a community around your brand. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating, keep marketing, and don't get discouraged. Your first sale is an amazing feeling, and it's just the beginning. And that's the blueprint. You find your niche, create killer designs, partner with a quality pod provider, set up your store, and market your brand to the world. Print on demand is an incredible opportunity to build a business with minimal risk and maximum creativity. It takes work, but the freedom and potential rewards are totally worth it. I hope this guide has inspired you to take that first step. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building your online empire. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.